Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these three different styles of paper quilling Rakhi for upcoming Raksha Bandhan festival. And these are very easy and very attractive. So let's get started. For this we need some quilling strips. I am using 2 mm strips, some stones to decorate and some beads, embroidery thread, some glitter powder, scissor, liquid glue, quilling tool, some paper circles and clear silicone glue. So I am using from Anna Bond. I am starting with my first Rakhi. So I have prepared some shapes. For this orange one I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color and making one leaf shape. For all three Rakhis I am using 2 mm strips today, but you can use 3 mm strips as well. Now for the yellow one I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one leaf shape. Like this. So this is done. Now I have taken little silicone glue on one yellow color circle. This is from Anna Bond and this is a clear silicone glue. You can find it easily online. And I will start arranging my yellow petals first from outer layer. This is just like a cream and it dries clear, and it is the perfect for making 3D shapes. Now I'm starting with the inner row with orange color petals. Adding white half cut pearl in the center and allow this flower to dry completely for 5 to 6 hours. So it's completely dried and it will look like this. Now I'm taking one strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. In the same way I have created some leaves. Now I am taking these two yellow circle which is having 1 inch diameter and the embroidery thread which is approx 35 centimeter long. I have added one knot at the end and inserted one pearl. Now I am inserting one more pearl through this from other end, adding one golden bead, then taking one yellow paper circle, add little glue, connect your thread and cover it with other yellow paper. Then I am inserting one golden bead and one pearl again. Make a knot at other end add little glue on this and just secure the pearl with this. So this is done. Now I am just adding my flower in the center and adding these leaves on two sides. Then to fill this top and bottom gap, I am just adhering this purple color leaf shaped stone. You can use any kind of stone. Like this. Now I have covered these quilled leaves using glue and just sprinkling some rainbow glitter dust on these leaves just to give little sparkle look. So first Rakhi is ready. Now I am starting with the second one. For this I am taking one strip of red color and making one Malaysian flower petal. I will wrap this petal using peach color strip. In the same way we need total 8 petals. Now again I am taking little silicone glue on red color 1-inch circle. Just make it a dough like this using any wire or toothpick. Don't touch it. Then I will start adding my leaves in circular motion. Now for the inner layer I am adding these drop shaped green color stones. If you don't have stones, you can create green color teardrop shapes using green strip. But just to give little shine I am using these green drop stones. Like this. Now I am adding one yellow color stone in the center. Allow the flower to dry completely. So it's completely dried. Now I will make a leaf. For this I am taking half strip of light green color. I am making one teardrop shape. I have already prepared one big teardrop using one strip and one more small teardrop. So joining all three together. In the same way I have created one more bunch. Now I am taking this 1-inch circle and this shaded blue color embroidery thread, just taking 3 layers and added one pearl and bead already to this thread, connecting with my white base, and on top of this I will connect my flower. Then I am adding these leaf bunch on left and right sides. Here I am filling again this gap using drop shaped pearl beads. These are half cut drop shaped pearls. You can also use white color teardrop shapes instead of these pearls. Then inserting the golden bead and pearl, making a knot at the end and just securing it. So my second Rakhi is ready. Now I am proceeding to my third and last Rakhi. For this I am taking half strip of dark blue and 1/4 strip of light blue and making one teardrop shape. Then connecting one more teardrop with this. Wrapping this whole petal using light blue color strip. In the same way we need 5 petals. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of light blue color and making one teardrop. In the same way we need 5 petals, and these petals are made using half strip of medium blue color. These are simple leaf shape and these are half strip of light green color leaf shapes. Now I have taken little glue for 3 flowers on blue color paper and I am just assembling my flowers. Adding stone and beads in the center of all the flowers. Allow it to dry for 5 to 6 hours. So my flowers are dried and I just took it from my blue color paper. This is easily peelable. After drying you can just peel it off. And it will look like this from back side. You can cut excess glue if any glue is coming out. Now I am taking this 1.5 inches pink color circle. Just adhering my red color thread. I have already created knots on both of the ends by adding pearl of this thread, adding this pattern paper 1-inch circle on top of this, and then I will start adding my all the flowers one by one. To adhere these flowers I am using silicone glue. You can use any kind of strong adhesive. And now I will add my leaves and some stones. So third Rakhi is also ready. So my all three lovely, very easy quilled Rakhis are ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.